Alexa, play Let's Blaze.
Here's Let's Blaze by Blaze and the Monster Machines on Amazon Music.
Here we go, there's nothing to it. Rev it up, yeah, we can do it. Moving at the speed of light, prepare to be amazed. Let's blaze, come on, let's blaze.
It's time!
Let's blaze, we're picking up steam. Let's blaze,
We make a great
let's
team!
blaze,
Give me some speed!
let's blaze.
Sometimes music can really rock your realm. And sometimes it can be sad to the bone. That's who we're drawing tonight, folks. Tonight we're drawing Yokai Sad to the Bone, which is kind of a long name now that I mention it. Who here thinks that Sad to the Bone is a great idea to draw? This might be the easiest E-rank boss level design I've ever completed. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here we go, there's nothing to it. Rev it up, yeah, we can do it. Moving at the speed of light, prepare to be amazed. Let's blaze, come on, let's blaze.
It's time!
Let's blaze, we're picking up steam. Let's blaze,
Here's his arms.
We make a great team!
blaze,
Give me some speed!
let's blaze.
You know, for some reason, I feel like I've been drawing a lot of Yokai Watch stuff on here. This is supposed to be a channel meant for everyone, not just for Yokai Watch. Seriously, I think the playlist is getting really too long. I know it's easy to draw, and Yokai Watch is the newest for the for Yokai Watch viewers to watch. It is meant for everyone, not just for other dudes. And finished. That is how you draw Sad to the Bone. From Yokai Watch 3. You can find him in the Treasure Zone. This place is always welcome for all ages. And that is how you draw Sad to the Bone. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.